In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the Minority 32-inch maple skateboard. This board is perfect for beginner and intermediate skaters because it is not too hard or too easy. It also has a very smooth ride and is made out of high-quality materials. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you find the Minority 32-inch maple skateboard to be the perfect choice for your next skateboarding adventure. Are you looking for a skateboard that is perfect for beginners? Then you have come to the right place. To help you make an informed decision, I did research very carefully and tactfully. In this video, I am going to review a Minority 32-inch maple skateboard, one of the best skateboards for beginners. If you want price and other information, you will surely check my description box. So without any delay, let's go through the video. What to look for before buying the best Minority skateboard. Hands down, the Minority 32-inch maple skateboard is one of the best skateboards on the market. This best skateboard brand for beginners is an ideal choice because it offers an 8-inch expansive deck that makes you feel confident and completely in control. These are the best quality skateboards whose deck is made from 100% maple, ideal for seasoned minority skaters. Deck. With a 7-ply maple deck for extreme strength and durability, this Minority skateboard review can hold as much as 220 pounds. This, plus the epoxy glue and high-quality parts, allows you to enjoy hours of play without facing any significant concerns. The concave design with a kicktail nose and tail provides excellent maneuverability for outstanding physical performance. Truck. One of the most distinguishing features of this model is the 5-inch aluminum alloy truck. They are equipped with a carbon steel kingpin and 78 APU bushing, high rebound. Such features make it ideal for cruising through the streets and also provide immense power for doing tricks. Design. There is nothing not to like about this product. It's available in a range of artwork and styles, not to mention that each design is badass, classic, and engineered to have an alluring vision. Bearing and wheels. Moreover, it features chrome steel Beck 9 precision bearings and 52mm 102 APU wheels for maximum responsiveness and unmatched turning accuracy. Overall, this maple skateboard brand guarantees you the best skateboard value for your money. It even offers safety features to protect you from potential impact and keep your ride smoother, more thrilling, and exciting. Pros. Outstanding aesthetics. 100% maple deck. Top quality components and overall construction. 220 pounds maximum weight capacity. Ideal for beginners and pro skaters. Beautiful graphics. Cons. Wheels need cleaning after each use. Thank you for watching. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and select all notifications for more updates and information. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some useful information. If you want to know the product price, check my description which I gave below. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment and don't hesitate to let us know and I will help you further. Thanks for watching and have a great day.